I'm going through the AQA GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So today I'm going through question 7. Question 7 is Rashid counts the pieces of homework he has to do in 3 subjects. He draws a pictogram to show the results. Rashid has done 5 pieces of geography homework. Show this information on the pictogram. So I know that one whole circle represents 4, so I would need one whole circle, but there's one left over, so I would need another quarter circle. Rashid spends 30 minutes of each piece of his homework. Work out the total time he spends on his homework for each of the subjects. So I find the total amount of homework, and then I multiply it by 30 to give me how many minutes that is. And then I convert that into hours and minutes, which is 19 hours and 30 minutes. As this paper is non-calculator, an easier way to do this is, because there's 2 30s in one whole hour, you could divide it by 2 to get 19.5. So it would be 19.5 hours. And so that would be 19 hours and 30 minutes. Like and subscribe for more GCSE math related videos.